Modern era. Modern agriculture in Iran dates back to the 1820s when the Nasiruddin Shah, chief minister and the emblem of the reform of the modernization in Iran, Amir Khabir, made several changes to the traditional agriculture system. Such changes include the import of the modified seeds and the signing of the bilateral cooperation agreements with the other countries. The first agriculture school was founded about 100 years ago, and the Agriculture Bank was established in 1933. The Ministry of Agriculture is currently monitoring and implementing government policies in the agriculture sector. Of the 62.2 million acres of the land in Iran, about 19 million acres are agricultural land. It accounts for 12% of the country's land area. The agriculture sector in Iran currently accounts for 13.9% of GDP and constitutes 30% of Iran's non-oil exports. According to the Foods and Agriculture Organization, Iran is among the top 7 countries in producing 22 major agricultural products. First in pistachio production, second in the production of the pistachio, and the fourth in the apple production worldwide. It is also the 12th largest producer of the wheat and has the second largest increase in the production since Argentina in 2010. In the Iranian calendar year 1389 ending March 2011, the value of the agricultural production has increased by 220%, and the agricultural exports have increased by 60% over the previous years. The agricultural sector faces many challenges in Iran. The two most important rains and the effects of the oil revenue fluctuation. Not surprisingly, agricultural production is directly linked to the amount of the rainfall. Relatively dry climate of the most part of the Iran makes the availability of the water an important factors in the production. For example, in the 2007 drought damaged agriculture production and brought it to 9.3% of GDP. Another influential factor is oil revenues. Historically, during his high oil prices and the resulting petrodollar with wine period, imported have grown even exponentially in virtually all consumption categories, including agricultural products. As a result, domestic production increased and the agricultural sector is damaged after the rise in the oil price. After the 1973, agricultural imports also increased dramatically and domestic production declined significantly. Between 1970 and 1976, agriculture imports increased at an amazing annual rate of 35%. The experience has been repeated over the past 2 years. When oil prices were barrel, there were 100 or more. At the result is that agricultural imports have increased rapidly, and foreign products now form a very large parts of the domestic consumption chart. Over the past few years, prices of the agricultural products in Iran have increased significantly. This is both due to the rising domestic demand and the rising global commodity price. The Iranian government supports the agricultural sector in a number of ways. Like many other countries, the agricultural sector is heavily subsidized by the Iranian government. Each year, the government guarantees the purchase of wheat at a predetermined price to protect farmers from seasonal pricing on marketing prices. The government also subsidizes widespread subsidies to the improve production practices, use of fertilizers and pesticides, and agricultural research. However, there are still plenty of the opportunity to improve efficiency in the agricultural sector. For example, only 10% of the farms are equipped with the modern irrigation facilities, and the rest are still cultivated through the heritage practices.